What's up? It's me again, Jack, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do this very quick and easy makeup tutorial. This is my typical go-to makeup, and also I'll be doing a quick review of this unnoticeable hair toupee wig that I'm wearing. Curious to find out? Well, let's begin. But first, don't forget to click on the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is my bare face, and since my eyesight is really poor, I have to put on my contact lenses. Next thing is I'm going to prep my skin with this toner. So I'm just going to put some drops onto my palms and just pat it to my face. Next is this phytonicin serum. So I'm just going to put some drops onto my face, and then I'm going to massage it. So just massage it in circular motion. Yep, so just continue massaging, and don't forget the neck part as well. Since life is too short to wait, I'm going to use this mini fan to dry everything faster. Okay, so let's open this guy. I ordered this from Lazada. So as you can see, this is the toupee wig. The invisible hairline is 2 centimeters by 16 centimeters. It is made from real human hair. The hair length is around 15 centimeters, but the measurement is not really accurate. It also came in with this double-sided super tape. For the first time in the history, I'm going to reveal my forehead, and yeah, I know I have a receding hairline. That's why I keep on using wigs. Next is to prep the side, so I'm going to use a alcohol pad to remove the excess oils. Again, life is too short to wait, so I'm going to dry it with a mini fan. Next is you need to put the double-sided tape and then apply them to the plastic part of the toupee. Now it's time to put the wig on place. So I'm going to put it now onto my forehead. Oh my god, I look funny and scary. So next is you just have to position it the way you want it, and then it stays in place actually. So you just have to style it as desired. As you guys can see that the wig is not enough to cover the blind spots on the side. And yeah, it looks funny. And I've noticed that the hair is a bit long as a fringe, so I decided to trim the ends and style it again. Ta-da! So I'm now done styling the wig. You all can see that even though I finger comb my hair, the wig stays in place and the hairline is unnoticeable. These are the blind spots that I'm talking a while ago. Oh, did you see what's on my forehead? Yes, keep it fresh, guys. So now it's makeup time, and I'm going to use this Laneige cushion. I'm just going to get some of the product and put onto my face. Yep, so just spread the product evenly using the puff. Yo guys, don't forget to put some onto your neck too. You don't want that white looking face and a brown neck. Oh. Next is I like to use a powder to mattify my face. So I'm just putting some onto my T-zone, especially the areas that I'm frequently oily. Next is I'm going to use this palette to fill in my brows. I'm going to use the darkest shade. So I'm just filling the brows. What I like to do with my brows is I like it straight and extended. Here's the closer look of my eyebrows. Next is I like to contour my nose, and I do it every day. So I'm just going to use a brown shade to draw like a straight line to make an illusion of my nose pointy and narrow. Next is I'm going to soften everything with the powder and the brush. Next is the eye makeup, so I'm just going to get this brown color and apply it to my eyes. Next thing is the aking. So I really like wearing aking. So I'm just going to get a darker brown color and then just put it on to my bags. Next is lining the eyes. So what I like to do is I like to use a black eyeshadow and line the outer corners of my eye. I like my eyes sharp. Next is I'm going to soften everything again with a powder. 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널. In this video, I'm going to attempt to contour my jawline, which I don't usually do. That's why I'm not really good at it, but I'm just trying. Hopefully, it turns out good. I'm going crazy. I'm going. Well, for us to appear livelier and healthier, I'm going to use this lip tint from Addiction. And I put too much in this video, but let me fix it. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. Oh my gosh, guys, so do you remember those Chinese TikTok makeup transformation videos? So I tried using the one that they spray onto their necks to make them look wider, and I'm just blending it. It works fine actually. To set everything, I'm going to use this makeup setting spray from WIG. So now I'm done with everything, and this is a closer look again of the makeup. Why, hello there, my forehead. So let me just transform. 이해하고 싶어 춤에 끼고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 보면서 나 봤던 우주 비행하고 싶어 멀미약을 삼켜 나는 내면의 건지 패딩 입은 애 같아 아무 패딩이랑 똑같지 넌 그런 마사피 난 열심히 개바빠
우린 충분히 바빠 근데 가끔 구름 이별에 있는 사람들의 노래는 남들이 좋아해서 난 고개를 들어서 외기는 공부는 힘들어요 기도이 가끔 좋은 구름 속을 헤엄치다 보면은 번역기가 필요한 글로 쓴 가사들 번역기를 숨겨놔 이해하는 척을 눈을 감고 플렉싱하면서 취한 척을 해 춤을 좀 어색하게 와봐도 못 본 것 같아 풀린 눈이 중요해 여기서 나 발음은 크게